Hi, can you briefly explain to us what's the study all about? How does it work? Because problema kasi natin ngayon yung energy eh. So, can you enlighten us, please? Thank you.
Well, my study is into creating a ACB generator, like a improvised generator from recycled materials. So from plastic bottles, besides mostly waste materials, then from that you can create your own electricity at homes using tuna tail and seawater. So that's practically it, and you could light the light bulb you could light different appliances with my generator. You could light the light bulb for more or less 2 weeks. And
Are you going to extract the methane gas from the...
no, yung research ko is you're gonna mix tuna tail and seawater.
So yung tuna
and
tail...
that will act as a fuel for the generator.
A fuel to the generator?
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, that's tuna. You're going to make fuel for the generator, the ordinary generator, AC.
It's an improvised generator.
Improvised
So that
generator.
if you would use the yellowfin tuna tail and seawater as its fuel, gasoline.
Mr.
So
Chair,
the mixture of seawater and the tuna tail, kukunan mo siya ng extract from that or fermented. Are you going to ferment it? Paano yan? Paano naging fuel siya?
You are going to ferment the yellowfin tuna tail and
Using seawater?
using water lang, then you mix it with seawater. Then after that, you can pour it into the improvised generator in different, because it's as a 8-cell battery with different electrochemical cells, and you pour the yellowfin tuna tail, and that will serve as yung energy or the source of energy for the generator. So it could light yung light bulb, yung TV, laptop, radio.
Are you also using that at home? Right now? Let's say mag-brand out siya, ginagamit.
We don't use it.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes.
if I may. Actually, we've been hearing in the news TV that what she has embedded so far could help us in our brownouts, di ba? Pero now we understand fully na parang ang na-invento niya ay parang alternative crude oil, no? Na maging fuel sa generator.
Okay. Yes, Councilor Lagari.
Good afternoon. Morning pala, nataranta ako sa'yo. May we know, ang output, just to be clear, ang output is AC.
Yeah, output is AC 220 volts.
Gaano kadaming volume ang kailangan mo na tuna tail
Yung
before you can gain ng
more or less 1 liter.
1 liter ng...
Yellowfin tuna tail with seawater.
Okay, so...
So you only need a portion of the yellowfin tuna tail.
Pero wala nang burning kasi oil yung i-extract mo from the tuna tail, tama?
You won't extract the...
Yung i-ferment mo ba? Wala yung paano ano yun? Anong composition yung piniperment mo?
What's within the tuna tail? Yun siguro.
Para siya mag-produce ng electricity.
Because tuna tail has been known to possess like heavy metals and different macronutrients. So like mercury and heavy metals also that will fuel the different batteries in my improvised generator.
Councilor Santos, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. This comes as a surprise right now. No? Katulad na sabi ni Councilor Atendido, we're in an age where there's power crisis. But then, I'd just like to ask Thea, no? Tama ba?
Hannah.
Hannah, sorry. Kasi si Thea yung last year, she also was one of our achievers. Would you like to consider it registered sa IPO, yung Intellectual Property Organization? Kasi baka may mag-agaw niyan from you, di ba? You need to have that registered because it's your property.
Well, that's what my father said, that I would
Yeah.
patent the...
Yeah, you have to patent it. Because otherwise, people would come back. I'd like to go back to my initial statement. We're in an age where energy is more than what we need and what we need to use, we have to use. So, malaking tulong yun, and it's not a joke for a girl like your age, think about things that can help us ease the power crisis. I suggest that pag napapatent mo na sa IDO, bumalik ka dito ha. Pag-usapan natin ng mas malalim at mas matagal yung invention.
Yes, Councilor
Layson.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Hannah, actually it was already asked by Honorable Beth, but as she had told us that you should have the property rights and intellectual rights, as well as the patent of that machine if you are the one who invented that, or else